Welcome to our video about tonsil stones. If you suffer from tonsil stones, you're probably trying to find a remedy for the foul odor that they cause. Here are a few different options. The first option is to find a home remedy for the stones themselves. It's probably a good idea to try a natural remedy first, as that will help eliminate the smell of tonsil stones in the long term. There are some natural remedies out there that may help, but many people find these remedies ineffective. Symptoms. If you've got tonsil stones, you know what an unpleasant odor they can leave behind. These yellow or white stones can vary in size from the size of a rice grain to the size of a grape. While tonsil stones rarely cause any health problems, the unpleasant odor can leave you with a bad breath. If you want to treat the problem, try these natural cures for tonsil stones. Gargling with water and salt helps dislodge the stones. Gargling with non-alcohol mouthwash or apple cider vinegar can also help. These two remedies should only be used with the approval of your doctor. While rinsing with salt water or apple cider vinegar is not the best way to get rid of tonsil stones, they are effective ways to clean the tonsils and eliminate the horrible odor. Home remedies for tonsil stones include gargling with saltwater, swabs made from cotton, and salt and vinegar. You can also try gargling with warm water. If you're not successful, you can try surgical removal of the tonsils. While this treatment is effective, it may not be enough if the stones keep coming back. Your doctor may recommend a surgery to remove them if they are causing a chronic tonsil infection. Besides gargling with salt and water, you can also use mouthwash to get rid of tonsil stones. Ensure the mouthwash is alcohol-free, as alcohol can dry up the oral mucosa and promote the formation of tonsil stones. Choose an oxygenating mouthwash to help prevent the growth of anaerobic bacteria, which contribute to bad breath and tonsil stones. Gargling with salt and water can be helpful as well. In order to get rid of tonsil stones, you need to get rid of the odor. In addition to a bad odor, you will also experience a sore throat, restricted throat, and swollen tonsils. In addition, tonsil stones can lead to infections, which are difficult to treat with antibiotics. If you're unable to eliminate the odor, consult a medical professional to find a natural cure. Treatment options. Tonsil stones are a common problem, but you can find treatment options for them. Symptoms of tonsil stones range from physical irritation to chronic coughing and pain. Most people will be aware of the halitosis that they experience, but if you notice that your breath smells funny and is causing you trouble, there are steps you can take to cure your problem. Listed below are 3 effective treatment options for bad breath caused by tonsil stones. The first step in treatment is determining whether you have a stone. The stone itself can be removed. However, this procedure comes with risks and can only be performed in severe cases. You should seek medical attention if the stones keep coming back or are large. Scraping the stones may exacerbate the infection. Several different treatments exist for tonsil stones, including tonsillectomy, if they're painful or obstructing your throat. Coughing can loosen the stone. However, make sure to not cough too forcefully, as it may cause bleeding or infection. To prevent bad breath, you can try a mixture of half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water. This mixture may help loosen the stones and eliminate bad breath. If you can't do this, your doctor may recommend some types of antibiotics to kill bacteria. However, these medications are not long-term solutions and don't prevent the stones from coming back. There are various treatments available for tonsil stone smell. A few methods include gargling with water or using a cotton swab to remove them. A few people swear by using a toothbrush, but this may not be safe for those with a strong gag reflex. Another option is to use a laser. While the laser will eliminate tonsil crypts, it is a minor procedure. If you're concerned about the risks, you can opt for a local anesthesia. If you can't eliminate the problem with oral hygiene, you can consider surgery to remove the tonsil stones. The procedure is generally an outpatient procedure, and is performed under general anesthesia. The recovery time can be quite painful. Most people who undergo this procedure are required to take at least a week off work or school. Other procedures, such as laser tonsil cryptolysis, involve the use of a laser to destroy the stone. The procedure only requires one visit, and no major risks are associated with it. Preventive measures. Prevention is better than cure. Although tonsil stones smell unpleasant, avoiding the condition will help reduce the bad breath. Gargling with warm water containing half a teaspoon of salt can help loosen the stones and kill bacteria that cause them. The smell will also subside with hard coughing. To cure the bad breath caused by tonsil stones, a physician can perform an X-ray or imaging test. If a biopsy is negative, the doctor may prescribe antibiotics to reduce the bacteria. However, this is not recommended for long-term use and won't help prevent recurring tonsil stones. People with tonsil stones experience bad breath, especially after chewing. The stones themselves are formed in a low-oxygen environment, allowing the presence of anaerobic bacteria to grow. The bacteria continuously excrete materials that smell like rotten eggs. The odor is most noticeable when the tonsil stone has been dislodged or chewed. The odor can be even worse if the mouth is dry. Lack of saliva, food debris and mucus can cause these stones to form. If you are unable to swallow or gargle with salt water regularly, then it's time to consult your doctor. If the stones are too large, or if they obstruct your throat, you should visit a doctor to remove them. If they don't go away, you may need to use dental tools to remove them. But remember not to scrape them yourself. This can worsen the infection. Good oral hygiene is a key factor in curing tonsil stones and preventing bad breath. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day and drinking plenty of water will help. Also, drinking water helps keep your mouth hydrated and reduce the growth of anaerobic bacteria. Avoiding alcoholic drinks and refined foods will also help you reduce your chances of developing tonsil stones. If these efforts aren't enough, consider a treatment that will help prevent tonsil stones and reduce bad breath. To prevent bad breath from coming back, take care of your oral health. Avoiding tonsil stones can help you feel better. The odor caused by them is caused by high levels of sulfur. This means that you're likely to have bad breath for up to 10 times as long as you have them. Besides bad breath, tonsil stones can cause other issues such as inflammation, sore throat, and sore throat. If left untreated, they can lead to infections that are difficult to treat with antibiotics. Ways to get rid of them. There are many natural ways to get rid of tonsil stones' smell and taste, including the use of mouthwash and salt water. Gargling with salt water is also helpful in dislodging tonsil stones. People who use a mouthwash with chlorine dioxide or natural zinc compounds may also have success. Gargling with salt water can also remove tonsil stones if the tonsils are hard. Saliva has an abrasive effect and can change the chemistry of the mouth, reducing the smell. Although tonsil stones can be painful, they are harmless. Most people aren't aware of how common they are, and they may even think they're a sign of a more serious health problem. It's important to find out what's causing your tonsil stones so you can find out what to do about them. Tonsil stones can be caused by poor dental hygiene or by an infection. People with chronic sinus problems are also at a higher risk of developing tonsil stones. To reduce the risk of infection, chewing raw carrots will increase saliva production and therefore decrease the amount of saliva produced by tonsil stones. Apples are also acidic and may help fight tonsil stone bacteria. Essential oils, such as peppermint, lavender, and lemon, can also be added to toothbrushes to get rid of tonsil stone smell. And remember, this is just a small sample of the many natural remedies out there. You may try all of them, but remember to consult your doctor before making any changes to your oral health. Gargling water before eating will help remove food particles and reduce the smell. Gargling salt water is another way to remove tonsil stones and stop their foul odor. Gargling with water will also prevent the formation of tonsil stones. Moreover, salt water helps prevent the buildup of food particles in the tonsil area. But you should be careful when using mouthwash with alcohol. Avoid smoking as both have been shown to encourage tonsil stone formation. If you suffer from tonsil stones, it may be time to see your doctor. A specialist can help you get rid of tonsil stones. However, this process is not recommended for children, as it can damage tonsil tissue and cause a bad breath. You should consult your doctor if you want to try any of the natural remedies for tonsil stones. Some of them contain antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. One such natural remedy is a pomegranate and propolis rinse. Use this solution up to 5 times a day for best results. Till next time, have a great day.